Speed up large format tile installation without sacrificing quality by learning a few precise habits that let you work faster and smarter from the start. Start by selecting the right tools and materials. Choose a medium bed mortar rated for large format tile and a square notch trowel sized to your tile thickness to achieve proper coverage without voids. Before spreading mortar, back butter larger tiles by running a thin, even layer on the back with the flat side of the trowel, and then comb additional mortar on the substrate to ensure full contact. This reduces lippage and hollow spots. Create a dry layout and mark your reference lines using a chalk line so you minimize cuts and maintain straight grout joints as you progress. Use a two-person workflow when possible, where one person mixes and dots mortar while the other sets tiles, so you reduce waiting time for mortar skinning. Start by installing a small field of tiles and then check coverage with the 5% rule, meaning inspect the back of 5 tiles to ensure consistent mortar contact before proceeding to larger areas. Invest in a quality leveling system and consistent tile spacers and apply them immediately after laying each tile row so you can move steadily without stopping to fix uneven tiles later. Common mistakes include applying too little mortar, which leads to hollow spots and later failures. Fix this by backing butter and checking bond coverage frequently. Another problem is working alone and letting mortar skin, which slows progress and causes poor adhesion. So maintain a steady mixing schedule and use a pan mixer or larger batch mixing as your pace increases, while keeping an eye on pot life. A third issue is poor layout planning that forces many small cuts and uneven joints. Avoid this by dry fitting and shifting your reference lines to place cut tiles at less visible edges and by measuring twice before any cut. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare projects and skills related to large format tile for informed hiring and planning. We also let contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where installers and homeowners share tips and troubleshooting advice.